Does your shower pummel you with water, or is it more like an uninspiring drip? Whether it's too hard or too soft, it isn't going to leave you feeling refreshed. But an Amane shower will. It's Japanese innovation at its very best. And here at Amane Heavenly Rain, we're proud to be the official suppliers of this revolution in shower technology. Amane in Japanese means heavenly rain, which perfectly captures the experience of an Amane shower head, the first of its kind to deliver a mist sensation shower. How? By using 615 precision holes, each less than 1/5 of a millimeter in diameter. That's not only the world's finest spray holes, but with 615 holes, that's 2 to 4 times more than your typical power or rain showers. This creates that mist-like sensation that helps you get soaking wet quicker, rinse hair more thoroughly, and gently bathe, clean and soothe your body. What's more, it offers 2 times as much power as your average shower head. And you won't be wasting water either. The Amane showerhead saves up to 35% on water, meaning more hot showers to go around for the whole household. All of this comes at affordable prices, and it's also easy to install. Just twist off your old showerhead and twist on your Amane showerhead. Cleaning is simple too, as every Amane showerhead can be fully disassembled for easy access to any limescale buildup. Whether you've got a power shower, electric or standard shower, Amane works with them all, so every home can enjoy the Amane Heavenly Rain experience. Bring the benefits of a traditional Japanese spa into your bathroom. Treat yourself or treat a friend to a gift that can be enjoyed every single day, an Amane shower. Shop now or discover more about Amane showers by getting in touch with our expert team.
A little fun fact. If you take the Japanese letters or characters and use the English alphabet, it spells A-M-A-N-E or Amane. And if you translate this into English, it means heavenly rain. Amane in Japanese literally means heavenly rain and delivers an experience to match.